Hey, this is Dan Funk at danfunklaw. A question I often get is, do I incorporate? If you're going to start a small business or even a large business, it's always recommended that you incorporate. Now, when I say incorporate, that doesn't necessarily mean you are a corporation. What it means is you set up a legal entity. My preference is a limited liability company. And the reason that is my preference is because you don't have to have officers. You can be a sole member LLC. You don't have to have a president. You don't have to have a vice president, secretary, treasurer, and you don't have to keep minutes in a corporate book. All you need to do is register with the Secretary of State, get your operating agreement in place, and your EIN, which is your federal tax identification number. And the reason I advise to set up a legal entity, whether it's a corporation, limited liability company, partnership, etc., is number one, it shields you from personal liability in the event of a lawsuit. Number two, it allows you to expense against income. Although it is a pass-through entity, so all income is attributed to you personally, you can expense as much as you can expense per your accountant through the legal entity, the LLC, corporation, whatever you set up, because obviously you don't want to pay tax on money that you don't have to. So when someone asks me, do I recommend incorporating, my answer is emphatic yes. Once again, thank you for your time. Again, this is Dan Funk at danfunklaw.